चलिए, हम लोग ने कल क्या देखा था, हम लोग ने डेट मेथड को देखा था, डेट ऑब्जेक्ट को, कि डेट क्या होता है। जिनका नहीं हुआ था एक बार रिवाइज करा देता हूँ। हम लोग डेट निकालने के लिए आपको डेट मेथड लेना पड़ता है। जब आप डेट मेथड लीजिएगा आपको डेट मिल जाएगा। लेकिन कभी भी आप अपना डेट क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, कुछ भी चाहते हैं, तो आपको उसका ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना पड़ेगा। और हम लोग को पता है कि ऑब्जेक्ट कैसे बनता है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ न्यू कीवर्ड। तो हमें क्या करना होगा, न्यू एंड डेट यूज करना होगा। ठीक है, तो इस टाइप से हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि हम लोग डेट को क्रिएट कर देंगे। सेकेंड चीज, अगर हमें कोई हार्ड कोडेड डेट है, लाइक यहाँ पे दिया गया वैल्यू कुछ आप पास कर रहे हैं, तो ये वैल्यू कैसे लेगा, तो फर्स्ट वैल्यू जो है वो क्या रहेगा, ईयर रहेगा। सेकंड वैल्यू आपका मंथ रहता है, नेक्स्ट वैल्यू डेट रहता है, नेक्स्ट वैल्यू आवर रहता है, मिनट, सेकंड, मिली सेकंड। ठीक है, इस टाइप से वैल्यू चलता है। सेकंड चीज, जो डेट का जो ये सेकंड पैरामीटर जो है वो मंथ का है, तो मंथ जो काउंट होता है वो इंडेक्स में लेता है। जैसे एरे का इंडेक्स चलता है, एरे का इंडेक्स कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है, 0 से। सेम उसी टाइप से ये वैल्यू जो मंथ का है वो स्टार्ट होगा कहाँ से, आपको 0 से स्टार्ट होगा। इट मीन्स व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ दिसंबर, what is the count, if we going by the month wise, then it will be come to the 12th position. Means that if you going by the number count, then it will be 12th. But in the month index wise, because here in the date method it taking with the help of index. Okay, so this value will be at the what position, not at 12, it will be at the 11. It means what is the value of Jan, it will be 0 1, sorry 0. Okay, second month will be at the first position. Okay, this is the case. Okay, so we had discussed regarding this one, so this much is enough. After that we have to pass the value and different thing we can proceed. Today we will look over the date method, that how we can create .js. Okay, so in the date method, let's go to the material. Yeah, so if you have six value in the sense year, month, date, okay, hour, minute, second. If you have five value, year, month, date, hour, minute, second, finish. Next value, year, month, date, this become hour. Means as you going to reduce one by one, the value will be decreased. It means the parameter for which we are passing the value, it will be decreased. Like first will be year, month, hour, sorry, year, month, date, then it will be go for day, will be also there, I think. Yeah, year, month, day, not date, sorry, that will be day. So like that it will reduce. Next, so see, new date, inside that we can pass the hard coded value in the sense in this format, like October 13 2014 and some time. So what it will do, it will convert your value in the this, where is that, 1 second. When you will pass the value, it will convert into normal value in the sense that we copy this code. Yeah, so what we had passed, we passed a string value. Previously what we was passing, we was not passing a string value, Previously b was giving in the numeric form, you can tell this value, but now we can pass into the string form. When you will pass in the string form, the value will get automatic, it will adjust and automatic it will display in the proper format. So we had looked over how we can pass millisecond and these all things. Next will be date method. We're going to look over the date method today. So what is that? So previously we had seen already in the case of that one, array, string, number, different methods was there. So same type there are method in the date also. So first method, how we can change the date into the string. Okay, one thing, what will be the type of a date? Can anyone tell? What will be the type of D? What will be type of D? Any idea?
String.
A string. Okay. Any other?
Objects. Objects.
Object. Why object? Why it will be object?
No, sir. New string is object because of new keyword.
Because of the new keyword. Okay. We created the object. Whenever you will add a new keyword, that will be your object. Let's go with type of. Let's see. So this become the object. Now what we want? We want to change the data into the string format. How we can change the data? So we can do that. And let's do one thing. It's object. Okay, fine. To console also. D. Okay. Now we converted into the. Now here we converting into the string. Let's assign to variable. And pass to DC. To DC. What is the value now? Now it become a string because we converted that into the string format. Okay. So previously that was object. Now we converted into the string. So it means we can use the method to a string for conversion purpose. Second thing, suppose when you had seen the data, in which standard the data was coming, means data in the sense the time in which standard it was coming. Any idea? What was the value we was getting actually? No one. When we was running the code, what value we was getting? We was getting some date, year, month, hour, minute, second, and one more value. That was GMT plus some hours it was adding, correct? 5 hours or something like that. Let's do one thing. Let's do console. Now let's see the time. What is the time? GMT plus 5:30 hours. Okay. Greenwich meridian time or whatever it's telling. So Greenwich meridian time. So it means it adding to this one now. And what is the standard? Indian standard time means IST. Now what I want to convert into the another format of the data. What we can do? We can go with the another format. Data BC equal to. So this is UTC string standard. Okay, and let's check the data now. Format we getting here. What is the value? So previously what value we had got? We got 6 April, that's fine. But what is the time? Now the time is 20 o'clock. It means 8 o'clock 58 minutes. What is the time here? 15 o'clock 28. Got something or not? So it is in the form of the GMT standard. And here what we getting? We are getting IST standard, Indian Standard Time, IST form. Or IST will be 5 hours 30 minutes extra, because now you getting GMT, that is 5 hours less. You can compare. It is 15 o'clock and it is 20 o'clock. Got it? So with the help of this 2 UTC string, okay, it will convert your data into the GMT. Means we can tell that base time from where we are going up or down, anything. Clear? So first method is 2 UTC string for converting the time into the GMT format, UTC format. Let's go to the theory here. This method converts a date to a UTC string. UTC string means a date display standards. Where means किसी भी चीज का क्या होता है, एक बेस होता है कि जहां से हम अप जाएंगे डाउन जाएंगे, तो वही चीज GMT क्या है, आपका बेस है, और वहां से ही आपको अप एंड डाउन जाना है, तो वो चीज हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं उससे. बिकॉज व्हेन वी गोइंग डायरेक्ट विदाउट एनी कन्वर्जन, व्हाट टाइम वी वाज गेटिंग, if we not converting, what time we will get, which format, which standard zone?
India's time.
Indian
IST.
standard,
month and time.
that is IST time. Okay, so if this is IST time, then how we will get GMT time? And why we want the GMT time? Because GMT time is your base time, as like equilibrium, or you can tell that like zero. Because if you have something zero, then you can go plus, correct? You can go up or you can go down, correct or not? From the zero, you can take zero as a reference point. We can tell like this, that zero is our reference point. Same type, what is the reference? GMT. Okay, so if that will be different time, then with the help of GMT only it going to predict that which time. So what we getting? We getting IST time, Indian Standard Time, automatic. But from the IST time, we want a GMT time. What we will do? We have to convert that into UTC string. Got it? So this will give you UTC Standard Time. Next, date method, to date string method. It's going to convert a date into a more readable format. Let's see what will happen. Three, no, two. Or if we want, then if we not going to take this, then also it will work, not an issue, because we will apply on the D method directly on the top. Let's apply variable D T equal to, what is this? Readable format. Let's do console. DT in a readable format. What we done actually? We had applied the method. What method? To data string. That's it. Let's save. What we got? we got in the proper readable format. Today is Thursday, April 06, 2023. Previously, what we was getting? We was getting everything. Everything in the sense, you was getting day, date, month, year, minute, hour, second, GMT, everything. But I want just date or date, year. So we can get like this. Okay. So to date string, it will give you the day and date with year. Clear. So these small methods are there. Next, this method to ISO string. This method converts a date object to a string using the which format? ISO format. Let's try this one. Date ISO format equal to d dot. What is that method? ISO. Let's say to ISO. Always it will be with 2. Why it will be 2? Like previously we can say if that is like a string, then we was adding 2 string. If you forget the name, then also just add a dot there, you will get the suggestion. If you writing wrong also, you will get some hint. ISO format. Let's see what is this ISO format. What we got? We got a, this is known as the ISO format. Okay. 20 means a date is there, sorry, year is there, month, date, and after that time and some z or whatever is there. Okay, so these all are the different method. Many methods are there. How to get sort date? Let's try this one. Later sort date equal to d dot. Let's try sort method is there. No. How to get to data string JSON string UTC get hour, get minute, get second, sort date. No, it's not there. Let it away. We will get that method later. So now see JavaScript development. So the ISO format allow you a strict standard in the JavaScript. The other formats are not allowed as well defined and might be in the browser specific. Now the JavaScript data output. So independently of the input format, JavaScript will by default output date in the full text string format. It means when we giving anything in the sense when we creating the date object, what we getting? Automatic we getting the data in the proper full format, date, month, year, hour, minute, second, and standard time standard everything. But suppose we want to extract something, what we had done here, we done that, we got the proper. In the upcoming we will extract date also, year, month, everything we can. Next is ISO dates. So what we can do here, we passing the date directly, means it is a hard coded value. Let's see what we will get in this case. What we got? Same thing here. We passed just normal 25/3/2015, but even then also what we got? We got the same format which we was getting up, but one difference is there. What difference? Yeah, see, Difference is that, yeah, month, not only month, year is also the difference. It is 2015. It means when we passing the date in the hard coded value, okay, and where we passing inside the new date object. So when we will pass, it will construct normal date format with the help of that given parameter. Okay. So what we passed? We passed year, month, date, three parameter only. With the help of that, it constructed into the IST format and normal condition. Normal condition, it means like hour, minute, second, and which standard it is. Got it? So like that, like this type, we can create the data actually. So here, but one thing, take care. When if you working on the date method, suppose you going to add one watch clock on your screen. So what will happen when you are working in your local system? Okay, till that time it will be fetch the data from your local system. Means it will display the time according to your local system. But if you deploy your website on some server, and if that server is not in India, okay, like be deploying that website on Netlify. So suppose Netlify server is in India, then it will take IST format date. Okay, means IST time. If that is not in India, then it will take that area time. Then you have to manage by taking the reference of GMT. Means you have to check. Suppose that what is the time now? Just what is the GMT value? GMT value is 15 hours. Okay, just check which country time is right now. This one. Means we can check that which country time is there, because here you can see it's showing the time for that area. It is 23. Military time. Okay, so according to that you have to check, and then you have to do some calculation, because it is 15 o'clock suppose, and your time zone is plus 5 hour 30 minutes. Indian standard time is 5 hour 30 minutes. So you have to do plus, then only it will be match. Otherwise your timing, the timer will not work properly. So still whatever we had discussed, be completely working with the new date method. Everything, it is like constructor. As you passing the value, it will work. That is the same. So next, again same thing. You passed here the date. Next, if we passing the year and month, then what will happen? Let's try this also. I will not try this all. Four. What is the time? Be given year and month. That's it. So it's taken year, it's taken month, and what about the date? Date becomes 01. Already we had seen previous class yesterday. When we not passing the value, it will consider 0. and it will go to the year 1973. If you will pass one value, then again it will do something like that. So this type we can construct the date object. Okay, I'm not going to consider these all. Let it be. Now come to the JavaScript sort dates. Sort date in the sense if you have to display the date but in the sort form. Let me comment this all. Yeah. What happened when we given that timing in this form? Sort form. See that you can see the here one thing, the format. Here we given the slash. Okay, and here what we giving? Here we giving hyphen. When we giving a hyphen, this value and this value. Let's see what is difference in both. Is both are same or is that is different? So what is value here? Same thing is coming, no changes. Let's check this one. What is there? That also same. So there is no any changes in both the format. So we can pass value in any format. Okay. So that is YYY. Okay. We have to take care that which value you passing. So in some of the browser, months or day may be leading by 0, may produce an error. It means month and days. It may be give you 0 value. The behavior of Y by DD is undefined. Some browser will try to guess the format. Some will return none. Means it may be depend browser to browser. That is want to tell you. Let's construct this format. What is happening? Same thing. It will come same because we passing 3 value. But main thing what we are checking regarding the formats. Here that is YY means year, month and date. What it will treat. Here again what is that? That is a date. Sorry, month. It become date and this become the year. Now what we giving? We again giving the year, month, date and year. Then we are checking what value it's behaving. It's behaving proper. It's not going to create any issue. Next, month and day can be in any order. It's not the issue because here we are not passing the digital form. We are passing in the alphabetical order A, B, C, D. In the place of shortcut, we can pass the full value also. That's not the issue. Comma can ignore. Okay. So okay. Now date input parsing method. So wait, how many method is there? Okay, it's finished. Only this one. Let's copy this one. See what we are learning through this one. Maybe you feeling like a boring type also because this is like theoretical type. But just now wait. Yeah, what are we doing? We're doing date dot parse. Okay, we entered some date and now we taking new date. Let's see what is the output. What happened? It just taken my value means we created the date and we converted that in the which format? In the date type. Got it? We passed in the form of date and then we had created that date object. That we're doing here. Let it be resolved. Let's say move to this method. This is important. Suppose that you have to get a full year. Okay, what you will do? Let's comment this all. These all are not important that much, but what we discussed here, we discussed regarding suppose when we passing the value in this format, what will happen? When we pass the value in this format, what will happen? Means different format we had looked at, that how it will treat. Now come to the main topic. This is the important part. The same thing we had done already. Let's remove. Okay, we can keep that also. Okay, so what is there? We taken the new date, we created the object, fine. Date value dot get full year. Already method is there. Let's try. Dot get full year. Okay. Let's try what output we getting. What we got? We got only year. And do one thing. On the top, let's get date also. Date value. Fine. Okay. What is the timing? What is the complete date time? 2023 and this one. What we can do from here, if you have to extract just a year, okay, how we can extract that we can do with the help of the get full year method. Suppose you have to extract the month, okay, suppose there is requirement to extract month. What we can do, we can do the same thing, get month, just by the naming. But one thing already we had discussed, what, how we will get the date, sorry, month format, means in which form we getting the month name, that will be come into the index value. Okay, what is the index value for this one? April. That is 3 because it is starting from the 0 position. Okay, next, if you have to get it just a time, what we will do, we have method get time. It's like normal. Okay, that's why I not writing that. Otherwise, see, just put a dot and see, you will get every method is there. Get time. Okay, let's see. But what is the format of the time? In which form it came? Any idea? It came into the millisecond. Okay, when we will get the value, it will come into the millisecond. Suppose you have to get the day. What is the date? What is the day value? Day value is 4. How it calculated the day value? From where it started? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Means it started from the Monday. Correct. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today is Thursday, so it become the 4th. Clear. Next, let's see. Any other method is also there. Go with hour. Let's see what it giving. What it given? 21. It means first value. Next, same type. If you want minute, what we can do? Get value. Sorry, yeah. Means see what we are doing actually. First, we created the data object, correct? And from this data object, we are extracting this value. Got it? Date dot get be just given hour. Go with minute. What is the time? 23. On the top also you can see 23. Let's say reload. 23. Still it is 23. Now get second. Dot get second. Let's see what is the time. Second will change. Refresh. As you will refresh, it will change the value. And minute, hour, that will also change, but it will take time. That's why. Clear? So this type we can get the value. One thing. Why we had created this one? Now do one thing. Wait. I swing. Previous whatever we had studied, that was it's like boring type, okay? But this is useful. Previous whatever we studied, that is not that much more important. So don't worry regarding that one. So now see one thing. Okay, let it to be. So this is going to give you time, correct? Let's remove the new. Save. What happened? Is they both same or different? Let me write it together. Date value. The new keyword. Okay. Date values. What is the thing? Both are same. Okay. Then if both are same, then why not we can go with anyone or creating that method. Now let's uncomment the method and let's see whether this is working or not. This all. What happened? What error we got? Which line it got executed? It executed line number 45. Okay. Line number 45 is this one. And what happened? This all line. It got fail on the first position itself. Why? Because what it's telling, date value dot get full year is not a function. Okay. So why this error came? Can anyone? So my point is that previously we was getting all the value that was working fine. But when we removed the new keyword here, it stopped work. Why?
Because sir, to divide line, sir. Tell me out.
Go one by one. Carry on.
Sir, I think, sir, because we have not created an object.
That's okay. But what is the need of creating object? That I tell him.
In objects, we can access the others value.
In object, we can access another value.
Means in date value, time, second, or year.
No. Any others? See, it's like constructor. Okay. What is the work of constructor? What are you getting from the word constructor? It means it going to create something. Create in the sense it going to construct. Correct or not? Going to create or construct. It means suppose that जस्ट इमेजिन कीजिए कि आपका डेटा कंस्ट्रक्टर के अंदर जा रहा है. ठीक है. आपका कोई एक आपने मशीन सेटअप कर दिया कि जिसके अंदर आप क्या कर रहे हैं, इनपुट दे रहे हैं. ठीक है. आपने इसके अंदर इनपुट दिया तो आउटपुट बाहर निकलेगा ना। कब निकल रहा है ये आउटपुट एंड इनपुट का प्रोसेस कब हो रहा है? जब ये हमारे पास है। क्या है ये आपका मशीन है, करेक्ट। अब जस्ट इमेजिन कीजिए कि ये मशीन अब नहीं है, कंस्ट्रक्टर नहीं है और ये भी नहीं है बनाने वाला, तो क्या होगा? तो होना क्या है, इधर से आपने इनपुट दिया और यहां से आउटपुट निकल गया, करेक्ट या नहीं? आपने यहां जो इनपुट दिया, आप यहां जो इनपुट दे रहे हैं सेम क्या हो रहा है, वही आउटपुट में निकल रहा है। देखिए लोग ने क्या किया, हम लोग ने एक डेट मेथड को दे दिया, ठीक है, आपका ये कॉल हुआ, आपका आउटपुट मिल गया, जैसे बन मिलता है आउटपुट आपको। लेकिन इसका जो वैल्यू है, इस पे जो मेथड आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं वो नहीं हो रहा है ना इस पे। तो बीच में क्या करना पड़ा, एक एक कंस्ट्रक्टर लाना पड़ा, जो क्या करेगा, आपका इनपुट को जो दीजिएगा वो डायरेक्ट आउटपुट में कन्वर्ट नहीं होगा। अभी फिलहाल क्या हो रहा है, ये दोनों डायरेक्ट कनेक्ट हो गया, समझ गए? ये दोनों के बीच में कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है। तो जब डायरेक्ट हो रहा है तो जैसे इनपुट आएगा वैसे ही आउटपुट निकल जाएगा, कोई मॉडिफिकेशन कुछ भी, जो भी हम लोग अभी देख रहे थे ना आईएसओ फॉर्मेट में करने के लिए या यूटीसी से जीएमटी करने, कुछ भी हम लोग देख रहे थे, आप उसको कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं, ये ध्यान रहे। लेकिन वो सारा चीज करने के लिए मीन्स कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन आपको करना है। जस्ट आप एक चीज इमेजिन कीजिए, मान लीजिए कि आपने मोबाइल परचेज किया, ठीक है, आपने मोबाइल लिया और आप क्या कर रहे हैं, एक सेकंड, आप ये पता है आप अमेजन पे रीसेलर भी बन सकते हैं या किसी भी ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म पे, आपको पता है ये चीज, ठीक है? तो मान लीजिए क्या चीज,
पता है सर कि रीसेलर बन सकता है, प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करने वाला।
हम बनने नहीं बोल रहे भाई, टेंशन मत लो, रुक जा, ये कौन मैसेज किया है? जस्ट 1 सेकेंड, सो मान लीजिए आप अमेजन पे क्या करने जा रहे हैं, रीसेलर बनने जा रहे हैं। कैसे? तो मान लीजिए कि ये बीच में क्या हो सकता है, एक मैन्युफैक्चरर होगा जो क्या करेगा, ये डायरेक्ट अमेजन को सेल किया और आपने क्या किया, आपने उसको खरीद लिया, ठीक है, एक प्रोसेस ये हुआ। दूसरा प्रोसेस हो सकता है कि अमेजन के प्लेटफॉर्म पे ही हम जा रहे हैं, मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे क्या है, कस्टमर है, ठीक है। तो एक प्रोसेस क्या हो सकता है कि मैन्युफैक्चरर ने अमेजन को सेल किया, अमेजन ने डायरेक्ट कस्टमर को दे दिया, एक प्रोसेस तो ये हुआ, ठीक है। दूसरा प्रोसेस क्या होगा कि मैन्युफैक्चरर ने अमेजन को दिया और बीच में हम एक डीलर बैठे हुए कोई है जो रीसेलर जिसको बोल सकते हैं, तो अमेजन से इसने लिया और फिर उसने कस्टमर को सेल कर दिया, कुछ ऐसा ही होता होगा ना, कुछ तो इसी टाइप से होता होगा कि अमेजन के पास से ये क्या किया, फिर से इसको रीसेल कर दिया कस्टमर को। अब जस्ट इमेजिन कीजिए कि ये जो कस्टमर जो दे रहा है ना, मीन्स बीच में जो डीलर जो दे रहा है कस्टमर को, अगर कस्टमर का रिक्वायरमेंट रहा कि या जो भी प्रोडक्ट दे रहे हैं उसमें कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन करना है, तो क्या ये डीलर कर सकता है बीच में कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन करना है तो क्या पॉसिबल है, ये करेगा? नहीं कर सकता है ना, क्योंकि ये मैन्युफैक्चर थोड़ी किया, ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग तो कर नहीं रहा। इसने क्या किया, अमेजन से लिया और कस्टमर इसको दे दिया। इसे तो कुछ नहीं पता है कि वो बना कैसे है। लेकिन यही काम ये कस्टमर जो है आपको मैन्युफैक्चरर को अगर बोल रहा है तो मैन्युफैक्चरर तो श्योर है कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन करके वो दे सकता है एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट। ऐसा पॉसिबिलिटी अगर रहे तो जरूर कर सकता है। क्यों? क्योंकि मैन्युफैक्चरर के पास क्या है, मशीन का सेटअप है ना। ये अपना फिर से उसको थोड़ा मॉडिफिकेशन करके और उस टाइप से सेल कर देगा। तो वही चीज जस्ट इमेजिन कीजिए कि अगर आपका इनपुट एंड आउटपुट बीच में कोई नहीं कंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहा है तो क्या होगा, डायरेक्ट चला जाएगा। आपको कोई मेथड कुछ नहीं आपको मिल रहा है। लेकिन अगर बीच में एक कंस्ट्रक्टर अगर आ जाए, एक कंस्ट्रक्टर अगर आ गया तो क्या होगा, कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन होगा। मतलब अब क्या डायरेक्ट जाएगा, नहीं, अब पहले कंस्ट्रक्टर को जाएगा और तब इसको मिलेगा आउटपुट। यही काम हमारा यहाँ हो रहा है कि जब हम डायरेक्ट डेट मेथड को एक्सेस कर रहे हैं तो हमें सिर्फ डेट मिल रहा था, बट हम कोई भी मेथड को एक्सेस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं क्योंकि कंस्ट्रक्ट ही नहीं हो पा रहा है हमारा। और अब इसको आप कमेंट कीजिए, वेट कमेंट क्यों करने जाए, न्यू लगा दीजिए ना। ये आपका सारा मेथड वर्क कर गया। क्यों? क्योंकि बीच में एक कंस्ट्रक्टर लग गया। बात समझ में आ गया? तो अब इसके पास कैपेबिलिटी हो गया कि ये कुछ भी कर सकता है। मतलब कंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहे हैं ना आपने फिर से बार बार, क्योंकि मान लीजिए इसको चाहिए था, इसको चाहिए था, क्या किया, कंस्ट्रक्ट किया, ले लिया। फिर इसको चाहिए, ऑब्जेक्ट ने क्या किया, डेट ऑब्जेक्ट ने फिर से कंस्ट्रक्ट किया, दे दिया। इसने क्या किया, फिर से कंस्ट्रक्ट करके दे दिया। मतलब बार बार क्या हो रहा है, कंस्ट्रक्ट हो रहा है। क्यों? क्योंकि न्यू कीवर्ड है। समझ में आ गया सबको? कुछ समझ में आया?